Hey everyone. I am really excited to share with you that I am going to be offering my Beyond Likeness experimental portrait class online. I've had several requests from people that I mentor, as well as students from all over the world, to do this, and it's an opportunity for us to come together and work from our own studios. So I'm really excited about it. What this class is it is using the face as a point of departure. What it isn't is it's not a class on how to draw the face in a traditional way. There's nothing wrong with realism, and if you have that skill, it's a great skill to bring in your toolbox. If you don't, that's okay too. I found all kinds of different, I have all kinds of different students that come to this class, and the results are really interesting to see where people take this. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing some prompts with you. We're going to be working in mixed media. I'll be working with acrylic, on paper. We're going to be doing on cradled panel. We'll get into the logistics of it later. But again, what my goal is for you to leave this class with a new set of ideas and some skills with techniques, but also with a new mindset on how to approach the portrait. So if you're curious, if you'd like to sign up, you can register right below this video. If you're curious and you want to find out more information, there's lots of information there as well, or you can reach out to either Ferris Martinez, my colleague and friend, or myself. And yeah, I hope that you get to join us. So it's really excited. Okay, thanks. Bye.